Hey guys, welcome back, and today I have these all-new redesigned smoke lens LED side mirror marker lights for the 2003 to 2007 Ford F250 and F350 Superduty, and also the 2000 to 2005 Ford Excursion. It's powered by super bright amber flux LED lights with 8 pieces of amber LED lights in each one. I have here the older version, and you can see how much better the new one looks rather than the old one. Not only has the look in the front changed, but also in the back. You may notice the old ones have these wiring sticking out of it, and you'll see the new ones don't have it to have that more sleeker design. These LED side mirror marker lights are also DOT and SAE approved. Let's go turn these on and see what they look like.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like us on Facebook for news and updates, and visit us at iJDMTOY.com. Thank you.